Hey fluffs and furballs, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tatted Glam Queen. If you're new here, welcome. So today we will be doing a sponsored look with Wet n Wild. I'm so excited to be filming this video. I will post the link for you guys to receive 25% off somewhere in this video. I will also put the link down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase, and you can also get some products from Ulta and any food and drug retailer store. So you guys stay tuned. Wet n Wild is one of my favorite foundations because a lot of foundations do not have my undertone, so it turns me orange, and I feel like their foundation truly matches my skin and gives it its true color when I put on their foundation. So basically what I'm doing right here is we're going to go ahead and slim this jawline, get that double chin out the way, just get a little sharper. I did use both of these packs. I doubled the lashes just to give me a thicker lash because I like my lashes to be more fuller. So I'm just going to swatch some of these colors in this metallic palette just to show you guys how pigmented these shadows really are. Like, look at this blue. Look at it. And this gold, like, oh my gosh, it's so pigmented. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. You guys have a fluffy day.